Are you tired of shaving, plucking, waxing, or threading your hair? Do you get razor like bumps or acne like breakouts on shaving? Is your skin getting darker with hair removal creams? So, do you want to consider laser hair reduction then? We, dermatologists, use lasers to remove unwanted facial and body hair. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Irfana Patil from Forever Young Skin Clinic, Kolhapur. Once reserved for the rich and the famous, laser hair reduction is now a very common and affordable mode of treatment. It's the most safe and effective way to get rid of the unwanted hair. So today, let me debunk the most common myths around the laser hair reduction which you must stop believing. Number 1. Many believe that their skin is going to turn darker and get burnt if they do the laser hair reduction. No, not at all. You just feel a warmth while doing the laser hair reduction session, and later, provided you do a proper sun protection, your skin is not going to turn darker. Number 2, the laser energy is going to damage my internal organs. So natural, the laser energy is not going to reach your internal organs. It remains restricted to the hair follicles. It doesn't go beyond that. Number 3, many people believe that because of the shaving, which is normally done as a pre-laser preparation, they feel that the hair is going to grow thicker. But it doesn't happen that way. The hair doesn't grow thicker. It just feels thick because that's the blunt end. It is not tapered, and when we shave, it is just present at the skin surface. Number 4, lasers work only on the fair or the lighter skin. No, that's not correct. There are many lasers which work on the whitish and the darker skin as well.
Will the hairs get disappeared immediately after one session?
No, your hair is not going to vanish. Your hair is going to reduce. It is called as a laser hair reduction. The hair gets thinner and thinner, but it doesn't happen in one session. Normally 5 to 6 sessions are required to get a 90 to 95% reduction in the hair.
Will the hairs grow back after 10 years?
No, you will not grow back your hair after 10 years, especially of the body hair. You will never grow it back because it's a permanent hair reduction. But as far as the face is concerned, it's all dependent on the hormonal status. Many people feel that the hair grows out immediately on the second day of the laser treatment itself. But actually, that's not the hair which has grown out. It is just the hair which was there inside the follicle and it is about to fall.
This treatment might be very expensive, ma'am.
Now, let me explain to you. Now you're going to do waxing from your 18 years to 45 years of age, and you are spending 20 years in waxing your hands, legs and face and back. So the amount of money, if you calculate, you are going to spend more in waxing than you're going to spend in the laser hair reduction. So with a permanent laser hair reduction, you are going to save your time, energy and money as well. So are you ready to start your laser hair reduction journey with us? Stay tuned for more videos on laser hair reduction. Subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.